Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix 100% disk and CPU usage, and we will be also boosting the FPS as well so that we can play games without any lags guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Right click on the start icon, select device manager. In device manager you just need to expand the system devices. You just need to disable this one guys, high precision event timer. You just need to right click on it and select disable device guys, select yes. After disabling it, close out of here. Let's move on to the second step guys. For that, go to search menu and type edit power plan, click on open it, click on change advanced power setting. In here you just need to select this drop down and select high performance and select apply and okay guys. After doing this, close out of here. Let's move on to the third step of my video. Right click on the taskbar and select task manager, select the startup tab, and in here you just want to disable everything guys. For that, right click on it and select disable guys, like Steam, Discord or anything you have it, you just want to disable it guys. After disabling it, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. And after restarting your PC, you can able to see the laptop is faster than before guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.